Hi, these are English Frasia's top 5 tips on teaching writing. Tip number 1 is give engaging writing tasks. This means 2 things. 1, I think it's finding interesting or engaging topics for you students to write about. But secondly, I think it also means making sure someone will read what the students wrote. If the only person that ever reads what your students wrote is you, and you're just going to go through with red pen and mark all the mistakes, it's not very motivating. Number 2 is teach strategies, brainstorming, outlining, generating content, editing, getting feedback. Students need to practice going through this process. Number 3, give your students feedback, but make sure your feedback isn't just finding spelling and punctuation and grammar mistakes and highlighting it in red pen. Help your students with more than that. How can they communicate their ideas even better? Number 4, use technology. There's so many free online tools now that you can use to check grammar, get feedback on spelling mistakes, and even tell students the readability level of their writing. And number 5, share good writing. Get the best examples of students who've been in your class before and their great writing and show it to your class and get them to find out why it's great and what they could steal from this other student's writing to improve their own writing.